Want to know how to use Do Not Disturb for individual contacts on your iPhone? The Do Not Disturb feature lets you silence notifications from a specific person without affecting the rest. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up DND for any contact on your iPhone. Let's dive in. Method 1. Mute notifications for a contact from Messages application. Open the Messages app. Select the conversations with the contact you want to mute. Now, tap the contact's name or avatar at the top. Scroll down. After that, toggle Hide Alerts to On. Method 2. Using Focus Mode. Go to Settings app, scroll down. After that, tap Focus. Choose a focus mode you want to use for this contact. Now select Silence Notification From. Then tap on the plus icon to add people. You can also allow calls from silenced people by enabling it. That's it for today's tutorial. Now you can easily use Focus Mode for any individual contact on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tech tips. If you have any questions or feedback, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.